Hello my sweets, welcome back to Beauty Meets DIY. This is Helen. Thank you so much for watching. So today I have a quick DIY for you guys. I have an 11 by 14 frame from the Dollar Tree. You want to remove everything from the frame and then the little tabs that hold the glass. Once you do that, you want to glue the glass directly to the frame. Then you're going to take your image, which I will link down below. You want to tape it to the backing of the frame, and you want to put it behind there just so that it doesn't go anywhere while you work. And I'm going to be using this yarn from the Dollar Tree as well. So here I am using some hot glue. Now the thing with the hot glue is that because the glass is cold, the hot glue dries pretty quickly. So you can use another type of glue, but if you're going to use the hot glue, you want to work quickly and in small sections. That's what I recommend. Like you see here, I had to do it again. So, or you can use some puffy paint. I was just trying to do kind of like a 3D effect. So again, you can use a hot glue. It just dries pretty quick. You want to just do small sections at a time and do it that way. So pretty much I'm just tracing the lines of my printout, and that's just, you can print this out and just put it in the frame, but again, I wanted to give it a little extra something, 3D like I said, and so that's what I'm doing. So go ahead and finish tracing everything out. This type of art is called line art, L-I-N-E, and you can just Google line art and you will find different categories from couples to food related to mother and children, this type of thing. Yeah, so now what you want to do is that you want to use, or I'm using some base fillers that you can find at Michael's or any of the craft stores, and I'm pretty much going to use my Elmer's clear glue that I always use, and I'm going to fill in the areas what would be her towel. She's wrapping her body with a towel, and then on top she's wrapping her hair with a towel, and so I'm going to do those two areas, and then once she fully dries, or after you place it, you can go ahead and top it off with some of the glue just to kind of seal everything. Now once she's fully dry, you want to turn her around, and I decided that I was going to paint the back of the frame with this light pink color. You can use any color that you want, or you don't have to paint it. You can use some pretty paper back there. Whatever it is that you want to do, you can do. For my next DIY, it's pretty much the same concept. I had to print it out in two parts and kind of had to overlap it a little bit just so I can align it well. I'm going to go ahead and link this down for you guys below. But we're pretty much doing the same thing again. I'm just taping everything in place so that it doesn't move. And then this time I'm using the white cream kind of yarn color, and I'm just repeating the same process. And for her, I just decided to keep it simple, and I'm just going to paint the back of the frame in black. But like I said, Dollar Tree carries this yarn in different colors. As you can see, I lined it up a little away from the line just because I felt she needed to, I don't know, she looked a little too skinny for me, in my opinion. And then off camera, what I did was with the trim of the frame, I applied some Mod Podge, allowed that to dry enough where it was tacky, and then I applied some gold leaf sheets. I did that off camera. So again, I gave it about 1 or 2 coats, and that was pretty much it. And so now I'm just moving on to her lips just to give it a little pop of something. I really wanted to use red, but I didn't have any red glitter in my stash, so this is what I ended up using. It turned out nice, but I wish I would have had a little more of a bolder color. And so once I do this, I'm gonna go ahead and seal it with my glue on top of that. Guys, don't forget to give me those thumbs up if you're enjoying this video, if you think that I am deserving. I really appreciate those thumbs up. They just keep me going, and I so appreciate every single one of you always. And I want to hear your thoughts down below. This is how everything turned out. I really love the way that this turned out to be. Like I said, the possibilities are endless. I just decided to keep things simple. This is something that you can use in your bathroom. This one, for example, I think is just so pretty. Or you can use in your beauty room or your closet, walk-in closet, or that type of thing. I think it's really classy looking, unique, and again, I wanted to give it that 3D effect. Again, you can use what they call puffy paint or some kind of a different cording or anything like that. You know, you have different options. So again, give me those thumbs up. I really want to know what you guys think. Which one was your favorite, or what would you do? What colors would you use? Comment down below. And I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you really soon in the next one. Bye everyone.